Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Alfonso IT. For today's video, we will be discussing about how to install our Kali Linux ISO file in our pen drive, and as well as converting our laptop into a dual-boot operating system so that we can run both Windows and Kali Linux simultaneously without a virtual machine. So first of all, let me take you to the website, and when I am taking you to the Kali Linux website, then I will also explain you about some of the importance and disadvantages of installing Kali Linux on virtual machines, as well as installing it directly in your PC. So I think they are also visible in Kali Linux website. So let me first of all take you to the Kali Linux website, and then let's go to get Kali. In get Kali options, then there you can see there are two options: installer image and virtual machines. So for virtual machine, you can see that there are there are not fully access to our hardware, and as well it has high system requirement because both Windows and Kali Linux will be running. Both Windows, Kali Linux as well as virtual machine will be running in your laptop if you try to run it in virtual machine. It will take more resources than normally installed Kali Linux in a default RTX. Sorry, sorry everyone, but in the last time I had actually forgotten to mention my step. So I'll just add this step. So for that step, you have to create a partition or sorry, you just have to shrink a partition and create a volume which is not used by any of the partition, so that we can use that to install our OS, second OS, and that will be our Kali Linux. And now you can see that I have already used this HTTP to install Kali Linux, because I have already told you that my recording was delayed, so I am just doing this again. And to create a unallocated storage, you just have to right click on your mouse in any drive from which you want to take storage. So let me take this D drive as example, and you have to shrink volume, and it will just ask you how much MB do you want to shrink volume. You can just select any amount. It should be something about 60 to 100. So it will work nice. For this tutorial, I'll just only copy only 1 GB, and you can see there is my 1000 MB or 1 GB disk that I have just made unallocated. You just have to do this for 10,000 GB, 10,000 MB, which will be 100 GB, or you can just select any of. You can choose the storage by your own preferences. It doesn't matter to what you are just using. You just have to choose more than 60 GB. It is bare minimum. So let's move on to our actual video of installing Kali Linux. SSD. So there are more benefit in installing it directly in your SSD or hard disk. So we will be downloading this option, that is installer image, to convert our laptop into dual boot system. And then you can select what bit of system do you use. So I don't think that you have to choose many things in these sections, because nowadays almost every computer are in 64-bit, so you don't have to just download 32-bit. But if you want, you can just select, and for the file you can download any of the file. Then you can see that there are main download options like torrent, repository, and what you want to download is your own preferences. So let's move on to our installation guide. I have already downloaded this, so let's move on to our installation guide. And this is what I have downloaded that 10 GB file, which is in this sections, but there are some error while installing that to my system, and I just installed only 3.5 GB of that data. So I have already told him that this is me recording it second time because first time my recording was deleted by mistake. So let me insert the pen drive that I have made so that I can you can see that there is our pen drive that is bootable by using Kali Linux. So now I will be showing you all process by process. So let me format this pen drive. I'll just select everything as a disk. Take some. So please press on that quick format option, or not it will take just too long time to format that pen drive. And to install that ISO image to our pen drive, it's not entirely possible to just copy and paste it. There are main tools to just copy paste. There are main tools to convert our device into bootable. The tool that we will be using it will be Refresh. Then you can see that this is the Refresh that I have also used while converting my USB drive into portable. Sorry, converting my USB drive into bootable. So you can download any of the file, and it's just too low. It's just too low MB, so you don't have to just worry about it using too many of space. You can see that there is only 1.3 MB file. I'll just install it. Don't think that you have to install this file. Now you can see that it is already selected my pen drive. I have inserted two pen drives in my laptop currently. I'll be installing Kali Linux in this 32 GB pen drive. So you can select any of your pen drive, but for that to install Kali Linux, I recommend you to use about 16 GB of pen drive, so it will be easier. And now you can just leave this section as it is, and let's select our file, and it's already open. Now it's scanning image. And for the file system, you can just change if you want to, but I am just taking it as default. Now after doing this, you just have to start this process, and if you want to copy any of your file in that from that pen drive, so please copy that files before converting it into bootable, because while using Refresh to create a bootable device, it will just format everything from that pen drive. So it will take a lots of time, and then I will just leave it as it is. I think I just try to open Refresh too many times when opening it for the first time, so it is showing error like that. I am using 10 GB file, so it will take just too long time. And now I'll just pause this recording, and when the copy will finish, then I'll and raising the recording, and I'll show you what it looks like. Now let's move on to our real work, that is to install our operating system into our laptop. So for that I am using mobile phone's camera, so it is not high quality. And then I will just shut down my computer and showing all process by process. And now I will not speak too much, and then I will try to add some of the non-copyright music in video. So it will be entertaining for you to watch this video. And I'll just write text in screen if there are important notes about something. So let me shut down my laptop and then start my process by using boot key. So for my laptop, my boot key is accessible. So you can just search about your boot key on Google if you don't know, and just go to boot option and then please follow my option. So follow my options as I do this video, and then the main important option should be you should select the options of boot from SanDisk or UEFI or anything that is popping there that is not your or primary hard disk or SSD.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, hearts full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day. day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the
Now, this is the most important step in our process of creating dual operating systems. So, first of all, you have to select the manual option because you should not let Kali Linux installer do its work. If you do so, Kali Linux installer will set a whole hard disk and you make Kali Linux as a primary, say only one operating system. So go to manual operation and manual partitioning of system and then select the file that select the unallocated memory that we have just created now, uh, and just create a new partition. While creating new partition, you have to select that there are option of creating a swap memory or not. So in this process, I will not be creating swap memory because I have 8 GB RAM, so I think it will be sufficient without swap memory. Now you can see that there are two options. You can just select anything; it doesn't matter in this option. So I'll just select beginning, and please just watch carefully in this option because this is the main option that will be responsible for our future time. I'll just you just have to select ext4 joining file system, which will be default selected, and then you have to go and select this as a root file. So to select it as a root file, you just have to go to that mount point and select that first option. Yeah. In many cases, it will be as a default, but if it is not, then you have to select it as a default. Select it and make it as a root folder. So the options again, so it will be easier for you to understand or find out which option to be selected. You just have to select the first option, which will be just a select option, and then just click on that done setting of this. And then if you want to create a partition for swap memory, then create a new partition. If you have more unallocated storage, I have more on allocated storage, but I don't have to create a swap memory. Sorry, I think there was a mistake while I was selecting. I actually selected something about 60 GB for my window installation, sorry, root file. So I used all my remaining unallocated storage as swap area. Sorry, I have told you that I will not be creating swap area, but there was many unallocated storage available. So I just use it as a swap area. As for the swap area, you just have to make it as a 16 GB or 8 GB if you really want to make it, and then create on done, and then you have to press on S button. And after doing this S button, it will start creating partitions and copying files. So now I don't have to. Now I don't think that I have to explain by voice. So I'll just play some songs, and you can watch this process. And I will add my voice while something important is coming in the future video.
curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Thank you everyone for watching the video till now, and please like the video if you like it, and share this video to your friends who are interested in installing Kali Linux in their laptop or computer as an operating system, not as a virtual machine. And by using operating system by this method, you have to select which operating system you want to put in the group bootloader. Bootloader which opens up whenever you try to open your PC or laptop, and whenever you try to restart your laptop. So thanks for today.